Should I clean up my mess before I start this video? Yeah, we on video number 2. Let's clean this mess up first. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching the last video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Now, let's get into this thrift haul. Yo, I'm like on the fence with the restoration hardware. I'm kind of not feeling it because it looks like farmhouse. It also looks like boho. But then again, I kind of like the whole cleanliness. Simple. But y'all know I'm a glam girl. So I still like the cleanliness, the minimalist. I like that. The black, I had black stuff in the old house. If y'all, my ride or die. So I literally just got rid of all my black stuff literally a year and a half ago. And then coming now, restoration hardware coming and everybody's all about this black again. After I literally just got rid of all my black stuff. Everything when we moved to this house. But it's okay. So we went to the thrift store. It was on several trips. It wasn't on one trip. And I just picked up a few little knickknacks to share with you guys to put around the house. Y'all know we're doing a refresh. So we're doing a refresh in the living room. Probably in the entryway as well. Also here in the craft room. I'm getting a new living room suit. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me with that. The refresh in the entryway probably just be some me just changing out a few things in that. And the craft room, it's gonna be a whole girl. She's changing it. It's still gonna have the pink, black, and all that. Y'all know how she do. I love the Kate Spade theme, so we're still gonna have that. But since I have my online boutique now, if you don't know, I have an online boutique called Inspired by Royalty Roots. Check that out. That's a shameless plug. Check that out if you haven't already. But we're gonna do a refresh so I can show you guys some of my clothes. They'll be on like display so you guys can see that. But y'all know I have this whole horse theme going on around the house. I love horses, and I seen this and I thought this would be perfect to go on the bookshelf that's going to be behind me up here. Of course, this color literally matches downstairs, so it'll go perfectly downstairs. But nope, we want it up here, so we're going to change this to maybe black or gold or even white. We'll see once we get there. But it was only $4.99. I wish they had two, but they only had this one, which means either somebody broke the other one or bought the other one. Just bought one, which is crazy. Why would you just buy one book? What is it called? Book holder, book thing. I don't forget what it's called. But why would you just buy one of them? But oh, Restoration Hardware got these, the horses bookends. That's what they call y'all. They got the horses bookends, and I seen this one for $4.99. But this is, it don't have the legs, so it cut off right there at the body, and it's, the head is a little bit bigger. But this can also be a little dupe since it's a bookend and it's got the horse body just like Restoration Hardware. So this can be a little dupe, or a little Restoration Hardware dupe, y'all. Definitely can. Just thought about that. Like I told y'all, I'm into the Restoration Hardware, but I'm not like going all full in because I'm not 100% committed. Don't want to get stuff and then eventually start regretting. Y'all, this hat and this wig is too tight. Girl, we need to hurry up with this video because her brain's starting to hurt. But next we have this, I'm just going to say RH. So ain't this RH all day, right? And this was $4.99. And I got it. I'm going to have pops of black. I'm not going to have like whole black everything like everybody else have. She's going to have pops of black. Still going to have her glam. And y'all know I love cream and all that anyway because my furniture's cream. My living room set, my dining room set, everything's cream. So I'm good with that. But I'll bring back the pops of black. So we'll have pops of black around the living room just to add the little hints of restoration hardware all through the house, right? But isn't this cute? And it's just a thing to water your plants, honestly. That's all this, a little pot to water your plants. And somebody clearly had it outside because it's got the little stuff on the inside of it. She needs to be cleaned. Yeah. Then next we have about a few vases, which I don't need, but I'm again trying to play with this whole restoration hardware, but make it my own because I don't want to commit 100% to it. So I'm buying little pieces here and there, trying to see if I like. If I don't like it downstairs, we're going to put it upstairs, right? So I have this little vase. This vase look like something I can use either up here on the bookshelf or downstairs on the living room table, right? And it was 99 cents, you guys. That's cheap though, right? I got that one and I got this one as well. Isn't that funky? Isn't that funky? This is so cute. It was 99 cents as well. And this is giving me restoration hardware as well. Most people, with it being like this whole, they would paint this black. Me, I got so many vases that's just clear glass. I'm gonna go with those, but I'm not painting my vases black because y'all, just as soon as this restoration hardware RH, I'm gonna stop saying it because it's too much for me to keep saying it. But RH come in style, it'll go out of style, and I've been painting all my stuff black for nothing because then it'll be out of style. So we just gonna stick with the clear glass, okay? Then you guys, I got these little belts. I love a vintage belt, and I seen these belts and I was like, oh my god, these are so cute. So I got this little belt. I know this is not decor, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. And then this one was $1.99. Isn't it cute though, right? Then I got, let me show you the other one. This is what this one looked like. Isn't it cute? Can you see the detail on it? And this one was $1.99 as well. I just thought those was cute, so I got those. While I'm showing y'all that, let me show y'all the other little, did I see wrap the vases? I got more vases, y'all, in the scarf, child. Let me get these vases out the scarf, and then I'll show y'all the scarf real quick. She wrapped the vase in the scarf. So this is what the scarf looked like, y'all. I thought it was really pretty. I know this don't have nothing to do with decor, but let me show you that really quick. And it was $1.99. But it's pretty. It's just a long scarf. And I thought it was so pretty. And I got these because they remind me of the whole Gucci. And these were $2.99. And this is just the leg warmers everybody wearing nowadays. Child. That's all. Now back to the decor. So she got more vases. Clearly, I went vases crazy. But this one is so cute. Which I think it was 99 cents as well. So pretty, right? And then this one. Now this one I did say, okay, I'll paint this one. Because of course, y'all see what it looks like. It was 99 cents. But what would I do with this ugly thing? Green? Nothing. Paint it. So this one I'm definitely gonna paint to put it up here. It's probably gonna be gold or black. I haven't decided yet, but I just like the whole detail on it, which you're not gonna be able to see like this part of the detail, but you will see this part of the detail once it gets painted. But that's the plan. We're gonna paint her gold or either black. And last but not least, I have 4 of these. I'm only pulling out one because I don't want to have to wrap it all back up. And they were $2. So that means they was $1 each. But, Check this out. Girl, she boosh. Put my cappuccino in there. I don't drink coffee. I don't drink all that fancy stuff y'all be drinking. Like, I said boosh, right? Y'all know we like boosh. But these are so cute, right? And they thick and they heavy. And it was only a quarter. I got 4 of them for $2. But it's pretty, right? I like the detail right here. And I got these from the thrift store as well. I got a total of 4 of these. I don't want to have to unwrap all 4 of these things and put them back, but I just think they are really cute. Can't wait to style them on the breakfast nook area. That's what I got them for. Or either in the dining room. One of the two. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. If this is your first time watching, hey girl, hey. We would love for you to stay. Hit the subscribe button and the post notification bell right next to it. And you guys, I'll see y'all on Tuesday at 12:30 p.m. for the next video. We got a couple DIYs and I'm excited. What was that? So we got a couple DIYs and I'm excited to get to them. Y'all, we got to go see what fell in this attic because hopefully we ain't break nothing. Bye.